Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Introduction. Chapter 18, Introduction. Liberation through Renunciation. In its 18 chapters, Gita explains a philosophy of living and also expounds and demonstrates the science of living. In the second chapter, a summary of Gita in anticipation was explained, and the 18th chapter is a report of the Gita in retrospect. The one eternal spirit functions through matter and it expresses itself in this pluralistic world of names and forms. The pluralistic world is seen in various variations in the nature, behavior, and quality of individuals. Many variations are noticed on the basis of temperaments as three kinds of personalities: the good sattvic, the passionate rajasic, and the dull tamasic. In this chapter, we have a description of how these temperaments, in their variations, create differences among individuals in sacrifice, in wisdom, in action, in fortitude, and in happiness. Doubts about two terms, renunciation, sannyas, and abandonment, tyag, used in different contexts, are removed to bring about clarity and true understanding. After defining sannyas, Lord explains tyag and shows how through tyag alone the sannyas can be achieved and fully lived. Only after removing our unhealthy relationship with the world outside, we can live in an intelligent spirit of detachment, tyag, ready to drop our false ego and its egocentric desires. Without tyag spirit, sannyas is but an empty show. Only after we purify our tendencies of the dull and the passionate impulses and live a sattvic life, a smooth life of maximum efficiency, we can progress in cultural development. The giving up of the lower impulses of the passionate and dull in our moment-to-moment contacts with life is abandonment, and the final giving up of the perception of the finite in the acquired wisdom of the infinite is the fulfillment of life indicated by the term renunciation, sannyasa. More in the next video, in the next shloka. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.